Hello everyone. Today we have tried to make an ingredient calculator taking the example of chicken biryani. Uh, let's say there is a person called Jackie. He lives in a house and often he makes biryani for himself. So these are the ingredients he takes: water, chicken, basmati rice, yogurt, onion, spice mixed, oil, ghee, and so on. And for making one person, like, the number of servings is one. Okay, so number of servings is the servings for one person, and the quantity per servings in grams, like he needs 500 grams of water to make one chicken biryani for himself, then 200 grams of chicken, 150 grams of basmati rice, 50 grams of yogurt, onion, and so on. So number of servings is 1. So total quantity is equal to the grams into number of person. So that is the value itself: 500, 200, 150, 50, 50, and so on. So these grams, we try to convert it into kg or liter. So in order to convert it, we will do 500 by 1000, this value by 1000. So we use the formula d2 by 1000. And so 0.5 kg of water is needed, zero point 0.2 kg of chicken is needed, 0.15 kg of basmati rice is needed. And suppose the price for 1 kg is 200, chicken price for 1 kg is 200, basmati rice for 1 kg is 120, yogurt for 1 kg is 80. So this is the price of 1 kg. Now, in order to find the total cost, what we did, we multiplied the kg that we needed for one person into 1 kg price. So 0.2 kg of chicken will be multiplied with the current price of chicken, that is 1 kg price of chicken 200, and so 40. So the cost of chicken for one person is 40. Likewise for basmati rice is 18, and so on. So for one person the estimated price is around 90. Okay, so how do we find this? Sum of all these values. And suppose Jackie's uh, hosted a biryani party in his home, and three of his friends came to his house. So 3 plus 1, total 4 people. So now there are total 4 people. So in order to find that how much price it will take for me or for Jackie to organize that party for his friends, we just have to change the quantity or the number of servings, and this is it. We got the idea, like we need 2000 grams or 2 kgs of water, 800 grams of chicken, 600 grams of basmati rice, 200 grams of onions, 80 grams of tomatoes, 120 grams of tomatoes, 80 grams of ginger garlic, and so on. And the total cost, it will be around 360. So what is the benefit of this calculator? All the person will get the same proportion of biryani that one person used to get, and there would be a flavor balance. So these things are very important when you are cooking for multiple persons, because always we cannot do hit and trial method. We should be consistent while cooking. So I hope you like this video. Thank you.